Hello folks, Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video, I will going to show you that how I catch 400 plus pip from gold by using ICT Judass swing. So let's get started. ICT all model are time based, rule based and logarithmic based. You don't have to see the chart all the day, all the time. Just a specific time and specific window, that's it. You have to find out what you are watching. If you don't find that thing, your day will be done. So here are the rules. Midnight open, mark out. Okay, I will explain you, so don't be hurry. This is a very short video and you will be learn a very extreme valuable thing. Your time frame should be UTC -4. This is a New York time. Okay, so we have to mark out the midnight open, means when the price is open at night, midnight open, and then we have to mark out the 8:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. New York local time. Okay, then we have to draw on liquidity of midnight to 8:30. From midnight to 8:30 we have to mark out our the high and the low of these time period from midnight to 8:30. Okay, then we have to wait for a sweep, either a buy side or either a sell side. Then we wait for a market structure shift and entry on a fair value gap, target another liquidity side. You will find this setup on almost every day. Maybe it's not in gold, maybe it's not in other forex pair, but it's happened maybe in Euro USD, GBP USD, or gold, or IMNI, SPX 500, or Nasdaq. It will be happen. You have to just select your asset and you have to practice, and you will find this setup at least 2 to 3 times in a week. So let's apply these all rules in our trading chart. So here, as you've seen, midnight 12 a.m. New York local time, okay, UTC -4, and then 8:30 a.m. New York local time and 11:30 a.m. New York local time. Okay, what we have to do after we mark out, before 8:30 we have to mark out the high and low of the day. It can be anything. Okay, then we will shift to 1 minute time frame and wait for sweep of the any side, buy side or sell side. Okay, once it's happened, we wait for a market structure shift with displacement like this, as you seen here. Okay, this was a valid swing point because it's take out the previous liquidity. Okay, we found a fair value gap. Okay, then we have put our sale limit, or we will wait for entry. Okay, the opposite side liquidity, target 1. The second, you have to go for your daily time frame and find out that where our price going as your daily buys. Okay, the daily fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap, or whatever that is. Okay, so we will see what happened. We are in the trade, and then price smash our TP. This is the first trade that I took this week. Okay, and I catch almost because I used daily time frame that helped me to identify the target. So I will show you daily time frame that how I target this one. As I see, the previous day market take out these very recent structure, okay, this one, and close below it. So I am anticipating that price will going to this fair value gap daily, and then I move to the 4-hour time frame, and then I found another fair value gap somewhere here. Okay, so I target that one exactly, and the next day price move more downside. So let me show you how I get that entry as well. So on the last 29 September Friday, I mark out 12 a.m., 8:30, okay, and 11:30. Okay, so I mark the high and low, and once price sweep that one, okay, then I wait for a fair value gap. Here is a fair value gap of 1 hour and 4 hour. And the most important thing, this is the previous day London New York session high. So it sweep, once it sweep by in 5-minute time frame and close downside, then what I do, I simply shift to the 1-minute time frame and wait for a market structure shift and wait for a trading. Here was my setup, that market must take out this fair value gap, okay, and after we get an fair value gap here, okay, this area, and we can set our sell limit, okay, upside to the this high, and target the opposite side. Liquidity first target, and second one I catch as per my daily buys, okay, that was almost 200 plus pips, but I took this trade from here, from this engulfing candle, because it's already sweep. That is one also my model that I will teach once I reach a 1000 subscriber. I will teach you that model of mine that's not made by ICT or another guru. So I will teach you that one once I got 1000 subscribers. So make sure you like and subscribe my video. So I will teach you that a unique trading model. So after New York session, PM time also there was a 50 plus move in fair value gap, and I took that trade as well, and the TP was hit easily. Okay, so here is the recap of these two trades, ICT Judas swing. Okay, so if you want to learn more, make sure you subscribe this channel, because I am teaching here about the ICT SMC trading modules, and also my trading module that I will reveal soon after I got 1000 subscriber. And one more thing, I have a Telegram channel. You can join it, it's for free. And if you have a broker, and if you are using Euro USD or gold, or you are trading gold and you have a high spread and high commission, I have a broker with Euro USD 1.5 to 1.9 pips spread, on Forex 0.5 to 0.6 pips, zero commission, zero swap fees, and it's really very low you say the deposit. Okay, so join with our referral link, and it will be give you a pro account. Okay, and join this. My Telegram channel is free, and I post here the my trading strategy trade setups. Okay, so you can join it, it's all for free. Best of luck, meet you in next video.